Multiple reflection of sound. Sound reflection is the process in which a sound wave bounces off a surface, returns to the listener. Multi-reflection of sound is when the sound wave bounces off the multiple surfaces before returning to the listener. Suppose you say this is the listener. Sound wave is starting from this point, strike here, reaches here, strike here, reaches here. So you will say this is the multiple reflection. And this multiple reflection cause the reverberation. What is reverberation? When sound wave overlap with each other and create a continuous echo, then we say it is the reverberation. This multiple reflection of sound can create a reverberant effect that makes the sound more resonant. So, reverberation is the phenomena of overlapping of the sound caused by multiple reflections. It causes the overlapping of several reflected waves. We will see through an animation. In all these phenomena, you have seen there is a continuous echo. This continuous echo is known as the reverberation. Acoustic of building. Building acoustic is the method by which noise is controlled within a building. In theatre, auditorium, big hall, the reverberation of a sound is a common problem. Due to this, the music or the speech rendered becomes uninteresting or unintelligible. The reverberation of a sound can be optimized by taking certain precautions while the theatres are being constructed. Acoustic of building is the branch of science that deals with the conditions to be fulfilled in the construction of a building for clear audibility. There are some of the steps. The walls of the hall should be covered with some absorbing material like wallpaper, or we should make the wall and roof rough. We should make the floor also rough by using the carpets. The stairs seats should be covered with the absorbing material. The window doors should be provided with the thick curtains having many folds. We should provide large number of ventilators and windows. Now we will discuss multiple reflection of sound uses. Very first, use the megaphone. Megaphone works on the principle of the multiple reflection of sound. Megaphones are designed to send sound in a particular direction without spreading it in all directions. In this instrument, a tube followed by the conical opening. This is the tube and this is the conical opening. Reflect sound successively to guide most of the sound wave from the source in the forward direction toward the audience. This is a sound source. So sound is traveling through this tube, and finally we know angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. So that logic is applied here, and these rays are parallel to each other, and we will get the uniform sound in the whole. Another use is the soundboard. Basically, reflection of the sound may take place as a curved surface also. This fact is made use of in large hall to spread sound evenly through the hall. One sound source is placed at the focus, and we know all the rays which passes through the focus and incident on the curved surface, they become parallel to the principal axis. This is the principal axis, these are the parallel to the principal axis. So these all the rays are parallel to each other. So we can say soundboard prevent the spreading out of the sound wave in various direction. It sends the sound wave from a speaker, this is the speaker which is at the focus, toward the soundboard, then it becomes parallel, and this helps in making the speech audible even at a large distance. Stethoscope. It is a medical instrument which is used to examine patients physically. It is used to hear the sound of the heartbeat of the patient. It works on the principle of the multiple reflection of sound. A thin fiber is attached at one end of the stethoscope. Here the thin fiber is attached at this end, which vibrate by the reflection of the sound wave of the heartbeat. On the other hand, the stethoscope, this sound can be heard because this, you can see, this is the tube of the sound wave. So when the sound starts here at this point, due to the multiple reflection, it will pass through this tube, and finally the doctor can hear the sound.